MLA of Jirang, Sostenes Soton, along with Raja Brahma, project director of Bhoi, yesterday distributed a work order valued at rupees 17 lakhs to 14 villages under Jirang constituency. The work orders handed over to these villages are intended for the construction of children, adolescents and digital infrastructure. The MLA expressed satisfaction in informing that the villages within the Jirang constituency were the first to receive these benefits from this special initiative.
Asked to mention here because we have our owners, Boroki, staff. Aiba kenikaba mati kini kewapadas kaba video mata. Tupundan kamhok, tray katum ka model, tray katum ka guidance, jom ki assistant engineer, lene ki junior engineer ke baipe. But penang kamhok ia kena kapisah, kapala bu, kapala sanction.
The NPP